Learned student of class 8th. In this video we will discuss the physical feature of Europe. So come to this page number 42 and see this map. Now what this map tells us, that the Ural mountain in the east and the Caucasus mountain and the Caspian Sea in the south is separate Europe from Asia. See here, this is Asia, this is Ural mountain, and this separates this from Asia. Next is the Strait of Gibraltar separates Europe from Africa. Here is the Strait of Gibraltar. This is separates Europe and Africa. Now the three important water bodies by which Europe is surrounded, that is the Arctic Ocean lies in the North Sea in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Mediterranean Sea in the south. This is the we get the information when we study the physical features map of Europe. Now, Europe is a continent of low mountain and vast plains. The continent can be divided into four major physical divisions. What are those divisions? The Northwestern Highland, the North European Plains, the Central Upland, and the Alpine Mountain System. So we will take one by one. Now let's take first, that is Northwestern Highlands. So the Northwestern Highland, which is also called the Scandinavian Highland, here see in the map, extend from Finland through Sweden, Norway, and the British Isles up to Iceland. Its northern part is called the Fennoscandinavian Shield. The Northwestern Highlands are located very close to the coast and form a steep slope along the Atlantic Ocean. The coastline is highly rugged and indented. At many places in the coastal area, fjords are found. So see this in this picture, number 41. This is your fjord. This is known as fjord. So I think you have understood this topic. Now next is the North European Plains. See in this map, the North European Plains are vast, low, flat and gently rolling plains. They very seldom rise more than 300 meters above the mean sea level. So this is their height of the plains. Now the North European Plains lie toward the south of the Northwestern Highland. They extend from the Ural mountain in the east, see in the map, in the east, to the Atlantic coast in the west. The important plains which make up the North European Plains are the plains of Hungary in the Hungary, the plains of Lombardy in Italy, and the plains of Andalusia in Spain. So in Italy, Spain and Hungary, these important plains you will find. At some places, hills have been eroded into these basins, like the Paris Basin in France. Now what are the important rivers which are found in this North European plain? So these rivers such as river Rhine, Seine, Don, Volga, Danube and Napier. These are the important rivers that you find in the North European plain. So I think in this video we have discussed two important physical features of Europe, that is Northwestern Highland and the North European plain. In next video we will discuss the other two important physical features, that is Central Upland and the Alpine Mountain System. So thank you students for that time being. Thank you very much.